Hey folks, how are you doing? It's nice to see all of you here on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you about another trading session of mine and help you make money. I'll tell you how to do that, so do watch this video up to the end. Please make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you don't miss anything. Under this video, you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any question. You will also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. Send me a direct message in my private Telegram channel and get my personal link for pocket option registration, which will give you a 50% bonus on your deposit. It's absolutely free. Now, let's go to pocket option and get down to technical analysis. And from this analysis, I decide to enter down trade for 1 minute with $100 in. My decision is based on both indicators. Firstly, the quotes are below the middle line of the Donchian channel indicator and tend towards its lower band. Secondly, the reading under 20 on the stochastic oscillator indicates an ongoing decline in quotes. Just a friendly reminder, you shouldn't bet more than 5% of your deposit and no more than 3% if you're a beginner. During today's session, I will show you that it is possible to receive a good income even betting 1% of your deposit. And as we see on the chart, the price is moving down a ton and there is no reason to worry. Let's wait and yeah, this is how we made $85. Well, beginners have done. Judging by the chart, the downtrend continues. The price breaks down through the Donchian channel lower band at 0.6972 and keeps going down. The stochastic oscillator indicates oversold conditions, but we see no sign of a shift in trend. From this information, we can draw a conclusion that the nearest future, the price will continue to go down, but not for long. Do as I do technical analysis, and you can make money on binary options all year round. As for me, I would choose to enter a 1 minute down trade with $100 in. Let's watch it now. On reaching 0.6970, the price starts to pull back and tries to bounce off. But I'm sure about my forecast, although I think this trade may be very, very emotional. The price is making a multi-directional movement, but it still struggles to go up. Moreover, the stochastic oscillator does not indicate any shift in trend. Although its bands are in the oversold area, they're not trying to get out of it. Oh, what a case, some stress. Here we go. And we've made another $85, so let's keep watching the quotes change. The direction of the price movement is still up in the air. We have to wait. Making money on binary options is super simple. I always remind you though that you better stay away from gambling when choosing a bet and avoid entering a trade only on the trend without technical analysis. And now I can tell from the chart the price is about to continue to move down and it aims for the level of 0.6969. Under the circumstances, I'm entering a 1 minute down trade with $100 in. Why did I think the price would go down to this level? Because that's the level where the price stopped 10 minutes ago. And since we're trading on a 1 minute time frame, I thought it to be quite meaningful and quite achievable. And if we look at the quotes, we see that the price breaking down the lower band of the Donchian channel indicator and is confidently moving in the direction we need. And we just have to wait a little longer. Look, there it is. Great. Another $85 coming to our deposit. This is where technical analysis does its work. The last trade was tough, and one might have thought a trend reversal was coming. But after studying the quotes, I made a different decision. And as we can see, it proved to be right. Now we study the price action and we see that it stopped at 0.6967. The price is getting unstable, but we're looking to enter the trade. Let me say that again. It's essential to completely eliminate the rush when choosing a bid. In a rush, a seemingly obvious bid can turn out to be wrong like a house on fire. To reduce the risk to minimum, always get confirmation of the interest signals from several indicators. And if we look at the open indicators, we see that their signals accurately show the changes in trading quotes, and they're popular among traders for a reason. As we can see from the chart, the price has been struggling to break down through the lower band of the downtrend channel indicator for several minutes. And I decide to enter an up trade for 1 minute. The bet remains the same, $100. And as we see from the chart, the price goes up. If we pay attention to the stochastic indicator, we'll see that the price has been oversold for a long time, which means that a shift in trend is possible. But if we look at individual indicator signals, it is impossible to forecast the quotes explicitly. But if we study them all together in a package, it allows us to make a decision at minimal risk. And we see it on the chart, the price goes up. I explain everything in detail so that you can profit from trading too. Look, here it is, and the trade closes at a profit of $85. Perfect. Now let's continue watching the prices. After pulling back, the price keeps rising, and we will look for a confident point to enter the trade. Let's look at the current situation. It combines two signals from two indicators. The stochastic lines have broken through level 20, left the oversold area, and are now rising. And the quotes are indicating a trend reversal and the beginning of a bullish movement. The situation allowed for entering the position, but I chose to wait to get dead sure of my choice. There starts a fight between buyers and sellers around the middle band of the downtrend channel indicator. The price breaks through its band, and the stochastic oscillator keeps indicating a possible change in price. And we decide on an up trade for 1 minute, and the bet stays the same, $100. And we watch the price continue heading for the upper band of the downtrend channel and reach the level of 0.6973, which is very convenient to us, and then it pulls back, but it's still within the range we need. The stochastic line is crossing the band at 80. It means that the price is approaching the overbought zone of the indicator. After that, it may reverse and go down. But at the moment, the price is still at the level we need. And now look, there it is. And we closed this trade at a profit of $85. Excellent. Now let's take a look at today's results. We entered 5 trades and earned $85 from each one. So we were able to earn $425, and the bet was 100, that is 1% of the deposit. I did show you that you can make $400 with absolutely minimal risk. It took me 16 minutes of real time. I think that's a tangible outcome for today, isn't it? We would not have achieved this without the analysis on the indicator signals you've learned about in today's video. I highly recommend you to make use of indicators, and don't forget that the way to success in trading is inseparable from technical analysis. Keep trading binary options because, as we can see, the analysis techniques are super simple here. And before we say goodbye, in the description below the video you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you have. You will also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. And even more, if you direct message me on my private Telegram channel, you will receive a personal link to Pocket Option registration, which will give you a whopping 50% bonus to your deposit for free. So, dear friends, that's a great offer, and I do hope you found this video useful. Thank you for being with me all this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. That's about all for today. Good luck at the market, folks. Take care and see you soon in the next video.